Meaning of hard-boiled.
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 Hard-boiled. The term hard-boiled originally described an egg that had been boiled until the yolk and white had solidified. However, it has since taken on a broader meaning, often used to describe a tough, cynical, or unsentimental mindset or writing style. It is commonly associated with the crime fiction genre, featuring gritty and realistic portrayals of crime and detectives. This style emphasizes tough, jaded characters who are not easily swayed by emotion or sentiment. The result is a narrative that places a premium on action, grit, and often, a sense of moral ambiguity.